Understanding the low FODMAP diet.
The low-FODMAP diet is designed to help people with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues, such as irritable bowel syndrome. It limits specific carbs called FODMAPs that can trigger bloating or discomfort. By choosing low-FODMAP foods at dinner, you can enjoy meals that are gentle on your digestive system while still being flavorful and satisfying.
Building a low FODMAP dinner plate.
For a satisfying low-FODMAP dinner, focus on lean proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu. Pair with safe grains such as rice, quinoa, or potatoes, and add low-FODMAP veggies like carrots, spinach, or bell peppers. Season with herbs and spices. Just avoid onion and garlic. This balanced approach helps keep meals filling and tummy-friendly.
Quick recipe, lemon herb chicken and veggies.
Try this easy meal. Grilled chicken breast with olive oil, fresh lemon juice, rosemary, and thyme. Serve with steamed green beans and roasted potatoes tossed in a touch of garlic-infused oil. The infused oil gives flavor without FODMAPs. This dinner is nutritious, flavorful, and perfect for sensitive stomachs.
Simple vegetarian stir-fry.
For a plant-based option, stir-fry firm tofu with sliced zucchini, carrots, and red bell pepper in a small amount of sesame oil. Add a splash of tamari or low-sodium soy sauce and top with chopped chives for freshness. Serve over cooked rice for a gentle, balanced, and satisfying low-FODMAP meal.
Tips for flavorful, low FODMAP cooking.
Enhance your low-FODMAP dinners by using fresh herbs, citrus juice, and flavored oils instead of high FODMAP ingredients. Read labels carefully to avoid hidden sources of onion, garlic, or wheat. Preparing simple meals ahead of time can also help you stick to your plan and enjoy a variety of tastes without discomfort.